Happy holidays, everybody. How are we all doing? I just finished up editing the best of moments of the past tutorials from across 2019. Looking back on it, I've had so much fun with these tutorials over the past year. We've done quite a lot, actually. There was the base house series, the bloom series, and all the other tutorials in between. And yeah, I just wanted to make this video to wrap up 2019 and just to say thank you so much for watching. 2020 is going to be an absolute banger. I've already got the Noisier Track from Scratch series that I want to do. I'll hopefully start that in January sometime, and I'm hoping to start doing 2 videos a week. Famous last words, it's not gonna happen. It might happen. Hopefully it will happen. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you guys had a marvelous 2019. Bring on 2020, and here is the best bits from the year. Boom, boom, boom. And the cowbell had actually arrived. Ow! Oh my god, that clipped. Oh! That is fucking sick! Call me Cowbell Sam. No, they don't. That sounds cool. Pre-drop phrase. I just need to think of something completely bonkers. My plant spilled the gravy and no one hears ravey. My plant spilled the gravy and now it's time to ravey. Fuck, I'm just gonna warp it. I don't get it. My plant spilled the gravy and now it's time to ravey. What the fuck am I doing? My plant spilled the gravy and now it's time to ravey. Oh, it's so dumb. It's been so good so far. You know, there's just been a shitload of cowbell. That was 10 times louder than I was expecting that to be. We're gonna have to do some handy dandy automation. I did not just quote Blue's Clues.
You know what we need? Our handy dandy?
Notebook.
Notebook.
It sounds fucking weird. Noise drums. Oh shit! No, I've done that too many times in too many tutorials. Oh shit! Oh! How many lights? Oh! And that. Gravy. No, too soon, too soon. Just now. I don't know if that's sick or too weird. Warp it. Yes. 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 There's still a whole second part we haven't worked on. Intermission, ad break here. Buy our packs. All right, ad break over. Oh, got another idea. Chuck some side channel, throw in the track, see what happens. That's basically how to base house with Sam Antidote. Oh, I forgot about that bit. Nasty. Oh, that's awful. That's nowhere near the grid. Nobody sample that. A flume track, another flume track, another flume track. Leave the drop alone. Flumey chord. Well, basically, you should have seen my expression. I'll put it in here. It's just one of those things, like you give your track to someone to listen to, and then they pause it halfway through. It's like, is there no flanger in here? Woo! That's literally it. We're gonna make a lead out of that. Oh my god, the song's in D as well. It was meant to be. Oh, I forgot that it was in there. Oh, what the fuck? Duplicate that. Do 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 do. Winner. Oh, yeah. All right, let's get it. They overlap each other because then it'll activate the a little bit delay, 2 seconds to chill. What the fuck? I hope people do the air guitar, do the air violin. I think we're redlining the whole time. Redline headline. God, are you still in negative RMS values? Wait, positive values will get you your results. You'll be headlining, redlining everything, bitch. Oh! What the fuck is that? Oh, that is. Oh, that is fucking. Boom. God damn. What about CPU? All good, we're not using serum in this one. We'll figure that out.
That's how I like my 808s to sound.
This was pre-prepared, wasn't it? Fuck. You sat down with
I actually just went out and had a call with my ghost producer.
Yeah, that's the one. Boom, it's Flume.
Hey, do you try like minimize swearing as well?
No. As you'll notice in my upcoming intro. Yo, what the fuck is up, you motherfucking c***s?
I don't remember this intro.